Hi guys, it is Tamika from Sisters Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Cent Savers. If you're new here, welcome. I am Tamika, one of two sisters that run this channel. There's also Cindy. We do videos several days a week, so make sure you have your post notifications turned on and you hit that subscribe button. And if you're OG, thank you so much for watching this video. Now, usually this Publix video is done by Cindy, but Cindy's out of town, and she did make it there safely, so we're glad about that. With that being said, I went into Publix, did some deals today. We're going to head right in, see what deals we have. It's a little bit of a slower week, but we do have some really good deals on laundry care and more. So let's head in store, see what we can get, and we'll come back over this couch and talk about what I picked up. Guys, these Dove Wiggles are on sale for 2 for $5. You're going to pick up one for $2.50. We have a $1 digital. It'll make one pack just $1.50. Hey guys, this deal on the Activia ends in 1 day, so you need to go ahead and clip it if you want to do it. The Activia Zero Sugar is $2.82, buy one get one free. You're going to submit to Ibotta for 2.85 rebates. It'll make them $1.12 for 2 or just 56 cents each. Okay guys, I don't know how to say this milk macaw. It's not good. I'm just letting y'all know. It's pretty disgusting. But it is free. It's $5.99. Buy one, get one free. Pick up one at $2.99. Now there's a $2 digital. I did not have that. But we have the $2 digital. We have $2 back on Ibotta. And we have 1,500 points on Fetch, which is $1.50. It's going to make it free plus a $2.56 moneymaker. Okay guys, the next two deals are on Breyers ice cream. Now you can pick up the regular. It's priced at $5.29 in our store. Buy one get one free. We have 2,000 points back on Fetch when you buy two. It will make it $3.29 for 2 or $1.65 each. Okay, you can also pick up the Breyers non-dairy ice cream. It's buy one get one free at $5.29. We have two 1,500 reward Fetches. Y'all, that's $3. I cannot talk. It makes it $2.29 for 2 or $1.15 each. Okay, guys, next up is the Yasso ice cream bars. These are buy one get one free at $5.48. Pick up two. We have two 1,500 Fetch rewards, which is $3, making them $2.48 for 2 or $1.24 each. All right, guys, so be on the lookout. These Laughing Cow cheeses are $4.19. Buy one get one free. They had $2 coupons on them. Pick up two of those $2 coupons. You would pay 19 cents for 2 or around 9-ish cents each. Here are two Pillsbury deals you can do. First would be the Pillsbury Grands, or buy one get one free at $2.74. We have $1 off a 2 digital coupon. It would make them $1.74 for 2 or just 87 cents each, and scan to Fetch rewards for extra points. Or you could pick up the Pillsbury cookies. These are $4.10, buy one get one free. We have $1 off a 2 digital coupon. That will make them $3.10 for 2 or around $1.55 each. Bonnie creamers are $5.99, buy one get one free. Pick up two. We have $1 off of 2 Publix digital. It makes them $4.99 for 2 or $2.49 each. Triscuits or the Wheat Thins, these are the family sizes, are $5.99, buy one get one free this week. Pick up two. You'll submit to Ibotta for 2 $1 rebates. It'll make them $3.99 for 2 or just $1.99 each. Hellmann's mayonnaise this week is $7.75. You're going to pick up 2 for $7.75. We have a 3 off of 10 Publix digital. Now that'll total $15.50, but you're only going to pay half of that, which is $7.75. With a 3 off of 10 digital, it'll make them $4.75 for 2 or just $2.38 each. Kodiak granola bars are $4.99. Buy one get one free. Pick up 2. You'll submit to Ibotta for 2 $1 rebates. It's going to make them $2.99 or $1.49 each. Gain laundry detergent this week is $7.99. Buy one get one free. So that will make them $3.99 each. If you bought one or buying 2, it doesn't matter. But we do have a 50-cent digital coupon on PG Good that possibly will work, making it $3.49. Arm & Hammer packs this week are $7.49. Buy one get one free. Pick up one for $3.74. We have $1 digital. It makes it just $2.74. Arm & Hammer scent boosters are $6.49. Buy one get one free. Pick up one at $3.24. We have $1 digital coupon, makes it $2.24. Hammer laundry detergent, the 50 ounce is $6.39. Buy one get one free. Pick up one for $3.19. We have $1 off of 1 digital coupon, makes it $2.19. Arm & Hammer toothpaste is $4.99. Buy one get one free. Pick up one for $2.49. We have $1.50 digital coupon. It'll make it just 99 cents. Pick up 2 of these Back to Nature nuts priced at $7.69. You'll submit over to Shopkick for 1,260 Shopkicks and scans total, which is $5.04. It's going to make them $2.65 for 2 or just $1.33 each. I'll finish this video. I'm picking up my son from school. So I meant to tell y'all at the beginning of the video, this morning we had tornado warnings, all kind of mile-per-hour winds. My son actually had to, I didn't take him to school today, his aunt did, but they had to seek shelter inside of the school because the tornado was around the school. as far as I can tell. Yeah, it was a lot going on. It was blowing windstorms and stuff like that. So it put me a little behind getting this video done. Now it's beautiful and sunny, and I had to wait till it stopped raining. It was raining cats and dogs. It was a crazy morning. When sis called me and told me she landed, she called me and she was telling me stuff, and I was like, you missed a whole tornado. I had to go into my back room and crunch down just to make sure, because my son's school is only like 5 or 6 minutes away from where I live. So it could have went over there, but it didn't, thank God. Okay, this is the printable coupon I was talking about. So this is the printable coupon that I said before. And it should work. This is in PG Good. It should work because it says any product, game, whatever. So if it works, it'll make the game $3.49. Hardly ever do you see game buy one get one free, so I think that's a decent deal. So let's get into what I picked up. I'm gonna pop up a picture. I bought 2 of the Hellmann's, 2 of the Activia, remember that ends in a day, 2 of the cheeses, 1 of the milk, and 1 of the detergent, and 1 of the scent beads. So my total for all that was $24.19. I had 2 $2 coupons for the cheese, 2 $1 digitals for the Arm & Hammer, and a $3 digital for the Hellmann's. That made my total $15.19, and that was without tax. Okay, guys, so $15.19 without taxes. I got 2 85-cent Ibotta rebates. That was for the Activia. $2 Ibotta rebate for the milk, and $1,500 on Fetch, which is $1.50 for the milk. That made my total $9.98 for all of the items, or just $1.11 each. Now, if you have that $2 digital for the milk, yours would be, if you bought what I bought, it would be $2 less, which is fantastic, I think, for a dry week at Publix. Okay, guys, so make sure you tune in Friday. We may have some special guests for the next couple of videos because Cindy is out of town, so tune in, or it might just be me. We're going to see who I can recruit. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on Friday for Walmart, and y'all have a good one. Bye, y'all.